Assalamu alaikum everyone, and you all know that pasta is a food from Italian cuisine, but today I'm going to make it with a Chinese twist. So keep watching the video till the end. I'm taking a pan and in it I'm adding a cup of water. When the water starts to simmer, I'm adding a cup of pasta. You can use any pasta of your choice, but I'm using here penny pasta, and then I'm adding a teaspoon of salt. Boil the water until the pasta looks like this and it is properly cooked. I strained the water and keeping the pasta aside. In a hot pan, I took some oil. Now in it I'm adding some chopped onions and sauteing it. After that I'm adding in it a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and some chopped green chilies. Sauteing the entire thing together until it roasts a bit. Now I'm adding tomato sauce and soya sauce in required amount to give it a Chinese twist. Till then, you comment down below what's your favorite Chinese food, and also comment down below what's your favorite cuisine. For me, it's always Chinese. To make the gravy better, I'm mixing a teaspoon of corn flour with a half cup of water to make this corn flour slurry and adding it into a pan and mixing all the things properly. The sauce looks amazing, and now I'm adding in our cooked pasta and mixing both the things together. It looks really red and delicious. Now at this stage it's very important to check the salt, because we've already added salt while cooking the pasta, and also soya sauce contains a lot of salt. So add in salt only if required. Pasta is properly cooked. Now time to serve it to our family members and friends. This stuff is really good for everything, every event and every occasion. So must be served with lots of love. Till then, share this video and subscribe to my channel.